FANUC ROBODRILL is a fully fledged compact machining center that combines unrivaled precision with great hourly rates. Suitable for everything from prototypes to entire production runs, ROBODRILL offers maximum performance and versatility across a broad range of applications. ROBODRILL's rigid construction and dynamic BT30 spindle ensures maximum precision at high machining speeds. With simultaneous control for 5 axes already in the CNC, all it takes to turn ROBODRILL into a 5-axis machine is an additional axis. Intelligent CNC functionality guarantees ultra-smooth, step-free surfaces on complex sculptured shapes. For even better cycle times, ROBODRILL's high-speed tool changer goes from cut to cut in just 1.6 seconds. For higher rigidity against radial forces, ROBODRILL also comes with a Big Plus BBT30 spindle. Relying on intelligent machining strategies instead of raw power, ROBODRILL is ideally suited to heavy-duty machining applications normally done by larger machining centers. ROBODRILL even takes the large diameter tools, usually only found on bigger machines. ROBODRILL incorporates the world's most reliable CNC. User-friendly and easy to program, it is fully customizable and contains a full set of codes to control additional devices. To ensure maximum technical availability, smart troubleshooting, quick system recovery, and preventative maintenance guidance are all on board as standard. Built using energy-efficient components and equipped with intelligent energy-saving features, ROBODRILL uses less energy than larger machines for the same results. Short, medium, and long table versions are available depending on the application. Thanks to its versatile design and easy all-round accessibility, ROBODRILL provides all the benefits of smart automation in a small footprint. A shared servo and control platform makes teaching, operating, and integrating robots easy. Robot-controlled automatic front and side doors are available to reduce tending times to a minimum. FANUC ROBODRILL. Flexibility to suit your needs from the best-selling machine in its class.